intention is to lift the mask mandate in indoor locations by February 28th.
Illinois joins California and 4 other blue states preparing to lift the mask mandate indoors. Good evening, I'm Jessica Coombs.
And I'm Jennifer Roscoe. COVID infections and hospitalizations are rapidly improving as Omicron numbers start to fade away. We have team coverage for you tonight. Our Capitol Bureau Chief Mark Maxwell is live in Springfield. Bryce Beeman live in Champaign. First, we go to Mark. So the governor wants to lift part of the mandate. He plans to keep fighting in court to keep it in schools.
Jennifer, Governor Pritzker cannot afford to surrender that legal battle. If he does, it might set that precedent that would block the public health department from using a mask mandate again in the future. But in the meantime, his announcement today is the clearest signal we've seen yet that as that court battle drags on, more masks will start to come off.
Things are getting better across the state of Illinois.
Governor Pritzker and Dr. Ngozi Ezike pointed to unlimited supplies of rapid tests, vaccines, oral antiviral pills, and therapeutics to explain why Illinois is better protected now from COVID-19.
We've seen these numbers peak at about 7,400 hospitalizations and heading downward significantly. We're now, I think, under 2,500 hospitalizations.
Pritzker citing CDC data that shows Illinois had lower hospitalization and death rates from the start of the mask mandate until now.
Vaccines work. Masks work.
But one anti-vaccine Republican running for Pritzker's job repeatedly refused to acknowledge vaccines save lives.
Do you believe President Trump when he said it was unvaccinated patients who were driving hospitalizations and deaths and that vaccinations save lives?
I do not agree with that.
State Senator Darren Bailey refused to accept the publicly available data as fact. Those numbers showing Illinois performed better than other states with lower vaccination rates.
How do you explain that?
I disagree with that.
Bailey called Pritzker a tyrant, demanding he lift the mask mandate in schools, too.
We still have the sensitive locations of K-12 schools where we have lots of people who are, joined together in smaller spaces, thousands of people interacting in one location at a time.
The governor and top doctors citing a study on the CDC's website that explains how rapidly the virus can spread among unvaccinated students sitting in close quarters for hours on end.
There are a whole lot more infections when districts are maskless.
Swift political fallout tonight for Darren Bailey. Jesse Sullivan, a Republican running for governor, said vaccines do save lives and prevent severe hospitalizations. Moments ago, Bailey backpedals, saying through a campaign aide, quote, Senator Bailey believes vaccines have helped save lives. As for the masks, recent studies show vaccines alone have helped to save 500,000 lives, and this legal battle drags on. Governor Pritzker says they may still lift the mask mandate in schools, even as their lawyers debate that in court. Reporting in Springfield, Mark Maxwell, WCIA 3, your local news leader.